Hello lovelies. Today I want to show you guys how to get this rainbow makeup look that I did. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Like this video and give it a thumbs up, because you know your girl will appreciate it and it really do help me out. Your girl was inspired by Miss Nikki tutorials, so I wanted to kind of recreate it and put my little twist on it, add a little glitter in there, because you know a bitch is extra. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with just moisturized bare face. I did my brows off camera and I'm going in with a Tarte concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and that's in the color Tan Deep Sand. So basically I'm just putting it all over my eyelids and I'm using that as an eyeshadow base so that my shadows come out nice and pigmented. So then I just went in and started blending it out with my finger, but you'll see right there. My nails are a little bit too long, so I just took a regular flat brush and I started to blend out the concealer towards my eyebrows with a flat brush. Next, I'm going in with this new palette from NYX called Off Tropic. I'm going to go in my inner corner with that yellow color right there. And I'm just going to pack it on my lid with a Morphe brush. Now, this brush didn't have a number on it. It's kind of in between a flat brush and a fluffy brush. So I'm really just packing the color on, not really focusing on blending right now. I'm going in with this orange color and I'm going to pack that in the center of my lid, blending it in with the yellow color. Now I'm going in with my Morphe 503 brush. It's like a slim blending brush. And I'm going in with the orange again. And I'm just going to start to really blend those colors together. Now I'm going to go in with that red color and I'm just going to use the same 503 brush and I'm going to pack it and blend it into my outer corner. Alright, so now I'm taking the Morphe 507 brush and then I'm going to go back in with the red, and it's basically just a bigger fluffy brush. I'm going to use it to really blend it like deeper into my corner and darken my outer crease. So yeah, it's just going to make it look, it's just going to pull the whole eye look together a little bit. Okay, so basically I'm going back in with that same brush that I used in the beginning, and I'm just going to add more eyeshadow where we lost some color from blending, just to make it look more pigmented. And I'm going to start to blend it at the same time, but right now I'm just adding more color just because we lost some color. Now going back in with the Morphe 507 brush, and I'm just going to blend the colors out where we added more colors, just so that we can kind of soften the harsh lines on the eyeshadow. So yes. Y'all, this is my first time doing a voiceover. Like, usually I do talk through videos, but I wanted to do a voiceover just to see if y'all prefer this better. But just let me know. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyeshadow for now, I'm going to go in and do my wing liner. And the eyeliner that I'm using is from Tarte. It's called the Tartiest eyeliner. And I got it from Ulta. And it's really good for beginners because it just allows you to be super precise. It's like a felt tip pen basically. And it is really pigmented, as y'all can see. Now you can see I'm just making really short strokes and I'm keeping the line super thin because you don't want to make it too thick. Just keep in mind that you can always go back and make the line thicker if you want it thicker, but it's going to be really hard to take it off without taking off all your eyeshadow. And you can see I just winged it out on the outer corner, and then I go in and fill in the thicker portion of the wing. Okay, so I wanted to add a little bit of glitter in my crease, so I'm just going in with an angle brush from Morphe, and I'm going to go in with that silver glitter. It's from a brand called Hard Candy, and I just got that from Walmart. So I'm going to put that in my inner corner and just kind of build it up until I have as much glitter as I want in my crease. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera. And then I'm going to do my lashes. It's by Eyelure, and it's the style Jasmine Brown. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my lashes on. So now I'm going to go into my face. And I'm using the Smashbox primer. It's the Pore Minimizer Photo Finish. Bomb as fuck, y'all. And I also use another primer from Urban Decay. And that primer is really good too. It's the Optical Illusion Complexion Primer, baby. So I just go in just for a double layer of protection because I have large pores, okay? So next I'm going to go ahead and start doing my foundation. I use two different foundations. I mix MAC Match Master, and that's Too Faced, and the color that I have is Maple. So I just mix both of those together and I go in with a big foundation brush. So I start with the foundation brush, and after I do that, I go in to go over it with a beauty blender. Now I do that because I feel like the brush like really gets the foundation into my skin better than the beauty blender, and I just use the beauty blender to get like closer to my eyebrows and all that. So now I'm just going to go back in with that same Tarte concealer and highlight my face. So chin, cupid's bow, nose, under my eyes, forehead, y'all know the deal. And then I'm just going to blend everything out with a beauty blender. Just going to set the concealer with this Kokie brand finishing correcting powder, and I just used a little sponge that came with it, and I'm going to put it everywhere that I highlighted. Now I'm just going in with a smaller foundation brush, and I'm going to contour my cheeks. Now, y'all, I don't really go too crazy with the contour. Like, I do a little bit on my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and then, like, under where my jawline is. Other than that, I don't OD on the contour. Now I'm going to contour my nose, so I'm going in with a blending brush from Morphe. It's similar to a 507 brush, so I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose with a really light hand and just contour my nose. Now after I go down the bridge of my nose, I like to do the tip of my nose as well. I want to use that same contour palette, and I'm going to go in with that lighter brown color just to wipe away the setting powder. So I didn't have any blush on hand, so I'm going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with that pink color and just put it on my cheeks as a blush. Going back into the NYX Off Tropic Palette, I'm going to start doing the under eye portion of the makeup. So I just took that purple color and I'm going to put that on the outer crease. And then I'm going to do blue down the center. So you're going to pop the blue right in the middle. And then I'm going to put green in the inner corner to complete the rainbow look. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeshadow base in the color White Pearl. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. And what it's going to do is just brighten up your eyes, and it's also going to make your eyes appear a bit bigger. Next, I'm going in with my all-time favorite glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use Amber Gold and put that right under my brow bone. I'm also going to put that same color on the bridge of my nose and then also on my cheeks. Now in the same kit, I'm going to go in with Snow, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Now I'm going to set my face with this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Next, I'm just going to finish it off with some lip gloss that I have forever. I could not tell you the name of it. I'm just going to put that on my lips, and that is going to be it. Okay, you guys, so this is a finished look. What do you think? Honest opinion. I love it. I was using a new palette today. This palette by NYX. I got it from Ulta, and it's just like a bunch of rainbow colors, y'all. So if y'all want to do like really colorful, fun summer looks, I definitely recommend this palette because I love the way this look came out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, and until the next video, I'll see y'all later. Mwah.